Hi, I'm Sam Tucker, and would you like to speak fluent French? Bonjour, je m'appelle Sam Tucker, ça va, oh la la. Or maybe recite pi to 8 decimal places, 3.14159265. Well, don't worry, you don't need to be too charismatic, intelligent, or even have a good memory for that matter. What you need, a good teleprompter. Welcome to the easy street of flawless and sexy speeches and presentations. Today, we'll be looking at 3 professional quality products from telepromptermirror.com. And best of all, at an affordable price. Let's have a look at the Presidential Teleprompter. You may have seen this type of device used by Barack Obama himself. But can we use the Presidential Teleprompter without being the president? Yes we can. To see how this style of teleprompter enhances presentations, first let's have a look at a presidential speech with a teleprompter. Hello, I am being very eloquent and to the point. Now I'd like to talk to you about... And now let's take it away. And bring it back. Economy. Fun fact, 40% of the time that Obama pauses by saying is because his teleprompter isn't the same quality as those found at telepromptermirror.com. And 60% of the time, I make things up. The Presidential Teleprompter is a highly portable solution, which is great for when you already have your own camera and tripod setup. The stand can telescope to accommodate multiple heights, and of course it comes with a cloth hood to record yourself with the camera. And here's a tip, if you want to make an unscripted video to camera, but you have a bit of an issue just talking to a lens, well, you can just put up a picture of your favorite person in the world and talk to that. Now last but not least, let's talk about the Quick Prompt Teleprompter. The most lightweight and portable solution. You can carry it around in your backpack flat or in your briefcase and then unfold it for when you want to record a video. It's ideal for working on a desk and enjoying one of my favorite activities, sitting. Just put your display underneath and your camera behind the glass and you're ready to go. In fact, it's so small and compact, you can even take it out on a date. Hi babe, how are you? Telepromptermirror.com provide all the software you'll need for their products, and they work with your laptop or tablet. And that's just a quick rundown of the presentation solutions available at telepromptermirror.com to take your marketing videos, speeches, or YouTube channel to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Jessica has unfriended you. Oh, sorry, that's Facebook again. Check out the website telepromptermirror.com. I'm Sam Tucker. Have a good day. Why would Jessica do that?